What's going on?
It's because Phil's here.
But what's happening? Tell us.
They're filming the front, aren't they?
Filming Waterloo Road in the community centre. It's all happening now.
And,
Waterloo Road.
and he is a local star of stage and screen. And it's all happening. Look, we've got cones outside. Security people. He's busy getting everybody in. Exciting stuff. Don't know if that's cozzies or not, I don't know. In the community centre next door. Plenty of people around. Another truck outside. People dressed in judo outfits. What's all that about? Don't know.
It's middle of June.
Yesterday was Midsummer's Day. We're just filming the flood. Look, fully anoraked up. Look.
My brakes.
Why? What's up with them?
Because they're wet. I couldn't stop.
Take it easy. Should be bad round here. Yeah. Pond.
That's right.
I hate going over them when I'm recording.
Is that you?
Nah.
Oh, bus, where's this bus going? What's your bus going through? Let me put me pavement.
What's all that about? What's all that about? What's all that about?
Oh, bus, where's this bus going? What's your bus going through? Let me put me. Look!
Mind the waves. How good that?
Oh no, listen! Can you get that one?
Well, I wouldn't hang around in the middle of it, Christine. It might cut your engine out.
Oh, bloody hell! Oh, shit! Sorry.
That's where I'm